You can find papaya salad all over Southeast Asia, but this one is from Hanoi, and it's called Goi Du Du Sang. A green papaya is an unripe papaya. It's a fruit, and it's crunchy. And you can do this with a knife, but I love using the mandolin. Take a look at this. Perfect matchsticks. And to keep the papaya and the carrots bright in color and crispy, I'm gonna soak them in cold salted water. Ice cold. The papaya and the carrot is crispy. Now take them out of the cold water. Let them dry. Let's get started on dressing. This is palm sugar. It comes in powdered or in large chunks. I like to make it very fine so it dissolves nicely into the dressing. And to help dissolve it, a tiny bit of hot water. And there you go, my sugar water for my dressing. Fish sauce. I'm making a really classic vinaigrette or dipping sauce called nuoc cham. Everybody has their own recipe, but the base is fish sauce, sugar, vinegar. And this needs garlic, lime, and chili. Yeah, that's exactly what I want for my dressing. It's acidic from the vinegar and lime, heat from the red Thai chili peppers, garlic and fish sauce. It adds that depth. And my papaya and carrots look so crispy. I'm gonna pat them dry before I toss them in. You can also use a salad spinner for this too. Cilantro adds that earthy, citrusy touch. And fresh mint, spearmint, just wakes me up. And I want that dressing over everything. This is gonna be good. Okay. Plating is the fun part. It is so pretty. You just want a little twist at the end. And that shrimp I grilled, I used lemongrass instead of a bamboo skewer. And that just adds another layer of flavor. You cut them in half, because they're nice and thin. And I only used 3 shrimp, but it looks like 6 shrimp. And to top it off, some crushed cashews. Just make them rain on there. The papaya is unbelievably crunchy. And taste-wise, it doesn't add anything to it, really. It's just about the texture. Carrots add a nice color contrast. And that nuoc cham sauce, it's great as a dressing, but it also works as a dipping sauce. You can't go wrong with grilled shrimp. Oh my goodness.